Look at what I made. I've got a commission to paint an Andalusian horse in oils on panel. Let's look at what I got for this commission. I have 2 old, very low resolution photos. That's it. Panel, oil paints, walnut oil and medium palette, which I've already laid out. Also got my brushes, quite a lot, but I like redundancy. I like to have enough. Okay, so drawing. I did a drawing. I made an underpainting and now we're going to finish the painting. So I move the painting around whatever suits me. I wanted to do a straight line. It's easier to do it up and down than left to right. So I just move my painting around whatever suits me. So the underpainting is in burnt sienna and I've already got a little bit of oil paint on there. This painting is supposed to be in a style of painting for which I did a whole series, Horses in the Alhambra. Now that series is in gouache with gold and silver leaf. This painting will also get some gold leaf once it's properly dried up. So that gouache style was very worked through with many layers, and as it is gouache, the upper layers would mingle with the lower layers. It is not possible to do the same effect in oil paint, but I am working with a smaller brush than usual to get this effect with different layers, different colors. That's why you can see the colors I start with are not the colors that I'm going to end up with, but I want these colors to mingle a little bit, which is what you can do a la prima, wet in wet. I also move from left to right, top and bottom of the painting, so that I know that all the colors match together. If you finish one part of a painting and then you have to fit the rest around it, then your painting has a worse chance of becoming a coherent whole. That's why all the layers get worked up at the same time. Also, I'm doing this from my imagination. I have a picture of the horse, but the light is quite different. I have this horse in front of a window, so the light is coming from the window, and it's strong light, as you can see from the shadows of the pillar and the horse's leg. Shadows are a little bit purple. That's why I start off with a purple, and you can see that the horse's body is all purple, but then I will go over it in other colors and make it a more natural color. So now adding the bits where the light really hits the walls, the windows, the floor. Those bits is where the light is the brightest, and that's where I put quite a thick layer of oil paint. And then I end up with another strong layer of light colors, almost white, where the light hits the horse's back and comes over the back and dissolves into the shadow. At the bottom of the horse's belly I've got a very strong and rather sharp line, which is the light that also reflects on the belly of the horse, and this gives a hugely three-dimensional effect.